As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company, DCEC, was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump sets, and railways applications. DCEC automotive engines power cover from 125 horsepower to 600 horsepower. Emission standard can reach up to EU Stage 5.
Hi everyone, this is Jasper from DuraMac, part of EMAC Group. In this video, I will introduce you DCEC automotive engines. This is ISB series. C series, L series, ISL series, ISD series, B series, this is ISA 13 series, The standard DCEC automotive engine comes with the following accessories: starter motor, fuel filter, common rail system, fuel pump, air compressor, ECU, wheel system, clutch disc, flywheel housing, charging alternator, oil cooler, oil filter, turbocharger. Based on standard DCEC automotive engine, DuraMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, air filter, muffler, PTO, accelerator pedal, clutch assembly, transfer case, Valeo air conditioner compressor, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, DuraMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, turbocharger position, flywheel and flywheel housing size extra. We can also provide the explosion-proof modification for mining vehicles. And we have capability to satisfy most of customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
Committed to providing premium powertrain system to commercial vehicle manufacturers all around the world, DuraMac is a sub-brand of EMAC that focusing on automotive application. Based on dozens of world-class engine manufacturers in China, and as official exporting agent of Fast Cat transmission and Dongfeng Dana axle, DuraMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. DuraMac's ranges of products are complete engines with all accessories, fast cat transmission, fast Eaton clutch, advanced transfer case, Dongfeng Dana axle. With affordable Chinese-level prices, DuraMac provides flexible premium powertrain system for all kinds of vehicles. With years of experience in powertrain supplying, our well-trained operation team can quickly understand and respond to customer needs.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact DuraMac at any time via email, telephone, WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. For more details about our company and the products, welcome to visit our homepage, duramac.com.